How to hire freelancers on OnlineJobs.ph. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for OnlineJobs.ph. After that, you'll have to make sure that you are logged into your employer account. Once logged in, on top you will see this post a job option. Simply tap on this one. So to hire freelancers, all you need to do is to create a job post. So in here, we'll have to fill out all the information for our job post. First, you'll have to add a job title. So as an example, I'm gonna type here Human Resource Assistant. After that, you'll have to select the type of employment. As for me, I'm gonna select part-time. And then after that, go here on this job description. In here, you will have to be very clear on the job description for the job that you want. So applicants will know what kind of employee you are hiring. So as an example, I'm just gonna add a job description here. And then once I'm done, I'll have to scroll down and then we'll have to add for wage and salary. So as an example, I'm gonna type here $250 per month. And then after that, we'll also have to input the desired number of hours per week. As for me, I'm gonna select 25 hours. And then in here, you can also search for skills of your employee. And then after that, you'll have to scroll down. And then in here, you can select for the notification of emails. Once you're done, simply tap on this submit for review. So once you have submitted the job post for a review, you'll just have to wait for OnlineJobs.ph to post your job post on your account. Once it's posted, you'll have to go on top and then in here tap on this account option. After that, you will see this job post option, tap on this one. After that, it will automatically show you all the list of the job posts you have created on your account. Once the job is posted on your account, applicants can apply on that job post and then you'll just have to select what employer or freelancer that you want to hire. So that's how easy we can hire freelancers on OnlineJobs.ph. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.